Beetlejuice. 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 Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You know why you are here. I am just as excited as you are. I have been waiting and waiting ever since they dropped that they were going to drop this collection. It's like they made this for me, and I am so excited to be sharing it with you guys today. And oh my gosh. Oh, she's big. She's big. Oh, and it looks so cool. Get a real good look. You can see that it's got kind of like a holographic thing on the front there. And isn't it amazing that it looks like the doors from the movie? So when you open it up, oh, it's just amazing. Let's see if I can give you a better look at it here. I mean, can you see the 3D and the holographic? Can you see how beautiful that is? It comes with 3 liquid lipsticks, 3 matte lipsticks. Ow! It comes with 2 eyeshadow palettes, 3 liquid eyeliners, and the purple they're not officially calling a liquid eyeliner. They say that it's technically not eye safe, but they're using it on their eyes. I think it's just a formality. We got a Melt First Time Ever. We got the mascara, and we have also a Melt First Time Ever eyelash curlers, which I think is really interesting. I've definitely never seen that in a PR box before. So then you start to open it up. There's a drawer. There's a drawer. Ta-da! And we have all these lovely goodies on the inside of the drawer. As you can see, the brushes have already gotten some love because it did this lovely look that you see on my face right now. It comes with a bag, it comes with a mirror, and I'll give you a better look at these items right now. came with these cards and the fun message that Melt always puts in their videos. It says, "It's showtime! We hope you love the collection as much as we do." And there's the back. I love the art on this collection. This collection, it's so beautiful. I'm absolutely in love with this collection. I sold my soul to be able to afford it and to be able to make this video for you guys, but it's here, we're doing it, and I'm living for it. I'm absolutely in love with this collection. Again, there is 2 palettes in this collection. One has 10 shades, one has 8 shades. We have The Waiting Room and we have Recently Deceased. Now, I'm really kind of living for this color story. Those greens are totally putting off Beetlejuice vibes. They're kind of putrid but grungy all at the same time. Living for it. I love it so much. Why don't we give these palettes a little swatch? All right, let's dig into this palette. I am super excited. This is, of course, the Recently Deceased palette. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with is the shade Draw a Door. Oh, this is blending beautifully. I love the grungy tones of this palette. I think they are so unique and just super fun to work with. Then I am going to grab a blending brush and I am going to dip into the shade Beetlejuice, of course.
It's showtime.
Next, I'm gonna go in with this shade Lost Souls. Okay, next I'm going to go in with Little Accident, and I'm just going to use my finger for this one. Now I am going to go in with Neurotic right here. And I'm going to do the same. I'm just going to kind of pat that in. Now I'm going to take this cute little tiny brush here and I'm going to go in with the shade Paranormal right here. This green is so scrumptious. Let's go on to the liners. You know I have to try that purple. Oh. So pretty. Okay, which lipstick should we try? Oh, there's so many. I don't know which one to try. I think I have to try one of the shimmery ones. Let's try Strange and Unusual. Oh, the formula smells so good. The more you let it dry and you go, the more glittery and holographic it gets. Can you see this? Wow, I'm in love with this lipstick. Amazing. Love it. Ah! I am just going to blend under my lash line a little bit with a little bit of purple that's left on this brush. I'm not going to be the absolute best tester of this because I do have something called trichotillomania. I say it wrong every time, so please forgive me. But I don't have any eyelashes, well, barely. So I normally just use eyelashes to give me that extra oomph, and I can't really depend on mascara because even the best mascara can't really work with just 3 lashes, right? But for the sake, we could at least try it and test it out to see if the formula is at least good. And I love the packaging of this. It's real heavy. It feels a lot like the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. It's got that nice weight, quality feeling to it. All right, let's see. I love the thick brush, very volumizing. And let's see what she do. Let's see what she do. All right, I feel like the only thing that this look is missing is some lashes. So I'll go put those on and we will have the completed look. I'll be right back. So this is the final look with lashes and lipstick, and I cleaned it up just a little bit, and I gotta tell you, I'm in love with this collection. I'm absolutely in love with this collection. It is my heart, my soul. Oh my gosh. So, okay everyone, and I think that's it for the Beetlejuice collection. I think Melt blew this one out of the park. My dark little heart is screaming. I am so excited and so happy to have this in my collection along with the Amor Eterno. This is, I don't know how they did it. They outdid themselves again. So Melt, thank you. I'm super excited to have this in my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Carpe Cynthia. And thanks so much again for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!